3 lessons from the octopus for life, business, and love. 3 hearts, blue blood, 8 arms. Sounds alien, right? But the octopus might just be the weirdest life coach you never knew you needed. In business, the world changes fast. The octopus knows this well. It survives by becoming whatever the moment demands. Rock, sand, coral. It can mimic it all in seconds. The lesson? Adapt quickly, or you're left behind. In health and personal life, setbacks are inevitable. But when the octopus loses an arm, it doesn't wallow. It simply grows it back. Imagine treating your failures like that. Not the end, just a chance to rebuild stronger. And in relationships, rigidity is a cage. The octopus with no bones slips through impossibly small gaps to find freedom. Sometimes the strongest move isn't to fight harder, it's to stay soft enough to move through. So here's your cheat sheet. In business, adapt fast. In health, heal what's broken. In love, stay flexible. Strange advice from an octopus maybe. But then again, aren't we all a little stranger than we think?